Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Junior KG. Let's play with numbers. Lesson number 3, page number 9. Today's topic is shapes. Everything around us has a shape. Different shapes have different names. Today we are going to learn the circle. 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 It's a circle. Circle has no sides and no corners. It is round. Circle is round. What shape is it? Triangle, triangle, triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 corners. Let's look at the page number 9. Circle. It's a circle. Now we are going to trace the circle. Start from the dot. Go round and round. Circle is round and round. Circle. Now here we are going to draw a circle. Start from the big dot. Go round and round. Now here we have to color the circle. The coloring should be up and down. Now complete the page number 9. Jazakallah.